Okay, look. So here's the deal. Corey always talks about Supras. I don't know what to get him for Valentine's Day, so I was up here getting my lashes done, and at the Toyota dealership, they have a white Supra. So I already set everything up. All we have to do is figure out how to get him to the dealership. I have an idea. They have a new 4Runner there that I really like, and I think we can kind of convince him while we're looking at trucks to go look at the 4Runner.
Oh, that's good.
Really, you know, what is he wearing with those glasses? Like, is he serious?
What's up, dude? What are you doing?
Simi Valley, bro. No, I gotta take this off. I gotta take these off. All right, what the heck is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. I'm glad you're here today. Today we're 2020 diesel truck shopping once again. I know we're dragging this out. Don't roast me in the comments. I just want to make sure that we make the right move, right? So we checked out the Powerstroke, Duramax, Cummins. We're gonna do one final look at the Chevys. Let's go. All right, there it is, guys. That is what we came for. Right there. I was looking for the white High Country painted to match. Let's get out and take a look. All right, so if we're gonna go Duramax, you gotta go loaded. You gotta go the whole deal. Definitely painted to match. Oh. Interiors on the High Countries, but yeah, I got spoiled with the Platinum. I want a luxury interior. I personally like the look of like the work truck model with like the whole black front grille. But you got to go luxury. So we came to take one last look at this. Of course, there's no one here. I don't know where the salesmen are. We got to go find a salesman. But this thing stickers at 77.7. Hi. Hi. All right, so today we got Teresa and the baby to help us make a decision because, guys, we've been dragging this out long enough. We got to make a decision. I'm really, really unsettled. I don't know. After being up close on the High Country, 2020 Duramax. Ow.
What do you think?
Do you like that truck?
Decisions need made.
You like it?
Do you like that truck? What?
What? Is that a yes?
No.
No.
No, we don't like that one. We're gonna go eat some lunch. We gotta go get some lunch. Family day with us here on the vlog. We're gonna go get some lunch.
In a car where it's a lady.
Is that a sign? You don't really see too many High Countries just out and about in the world. And then here we go. Here's a High Country. I'm gonna curb it.
No, you're not.
Missed it by a mile.
Mile.
Quick Target stop before lunch. Alright guys, we just got done eating. Wow, it was super good. We don't normally show like our vlog stuff, but we had the family today, so you're kind of a little mix up of a video. Anyways, while we were eating, Teresa said she wants to go look at a 4Runner. So we're gonna head to the Toyota dealer. There's a Toyota dealer right down the road, and see if they have any 4Runners there. My cousin's wife actually has a 4Runner, and the thing is actually super sick. What do you guys think of the 4Runners? Hers is like lifted, sick wheels and tires and stuff on it though, so it's like not a factory one obviously, but it has Teresa on like a serious 4Runner kick. So we're just, we're gonna head down Toyota dealer, and maybe I'll put my seatbelt on, and we're gonna see if they got any 4Runners. All right, if you're getting a 4Runner, you gotta go TRD off-road, right? TRD off-road, but you just can't get a stock one. They go to TRD right there, shouldn't they? Where's the Supra? They, you really like these? What color do you like in these?
I kind of like the
We're gonna look at this.
Kind
I think it looked good in white.
White?
White would definitely be nice.
Here, look, we can sit in here. Want to sit in this thing?
Come on, get in. Yeah, go ahead.
Here,
Try
you
it
can
out,
drive.
babe. Let's see.
You can drive. No. Dude, this does not look as cool as Bruce's wife's. Here, I'll get you. I don't know. What do you think? So it's right on the dash. We're a 44.1 sticker.
Maybe the guy can give you a better deal.
We gotta mention the YouTube channel.
Yeah,
That came
bring
in.
that up.
YouTube channel, we need a deal. All right, guys. So like for just to see, we're gonna try to see what we can get out the door from a 44-188. Do you like the charcoal?
I don't mind the charcoal.
So you gotta drive one of these before we do anything. We can't just roll out of here, not even driving the vehicle. I don't know. I want to see where they're priced at because 44 grand.
Let's see if we can get the keys.
I think we can get something a lot sicker for 44 grand. What do you guys
Definitely.
think? Comment below if we can get something sicker for 44 grand. This is nice. This is very nice. I don't. It doesn't seem like she likes this.
Okay. We just checked with the salesman, and he is going to bring the car back up. They were just checking a few things, so it should be in the showroom in a minute.
There's a play area for the kids. Oh, you can read a magazine. Here. Read a magazine.
You wanna play?
Yeah, there you go.
Look, we can get down here.
I'm telling you, he better hurry up with that price because this baby.
She's about to blow it.
Yeah, we're on a ticking time bomb here. They got a white Supra right in the showroom. Dude, that wasn't in here before.
What the f?
This thing is nasty. Dude, it's sold.
Oh, someone just bought that.
You think we can still sit in it? Dude,
Sit in it.
white Supra?
Just sit in it.
White. I've only seen one of these before.
Just sit in it.
I mean, hopefully they don't pick it up soon, 'cause I'm just gonna sit. Oh my god. This is sick. Dude, this is sick.
Daddy is Valentine's Day present. Say happy Valentine's Day, Daddy.
No. This sold. This is
We bought it for you,
sold,
Dad.
sold.
Say we bought it.
Hold on, wait. You got this car. For me.
For you.
No way. Is this serious?
Yeah,
Is she
it's
lying to
real.
me?
She already did the paperwork. It's done. It's gone.
Come to Daddy. Those are his for Valentine's Day.
Back her out.
Dude, you're lying.
No, we're not.
You playing
We're
a serious joke on me.
No,
No.
seriously.
Start her up. There's the keys.
See?
There's a sold sign in the thing.
It's yours.
That's because we bought it. Give it to Daddy.
No.
Give it to Daddy.
Let me see. Have the keys?
Give him the keys. Those are his.
Give me the keys.
She don't want to give it up. It's too sick.
Let me see.
It's her car.
Oh no, I can't even
your
drive
car.
it. So you're playing with me.
Yep.
No, I really bought it for you. Seriously, for Valentine's Day. They're yours.
Oh no.
Or maybe they're hers.
They're hers. It's her car.
Okay, here you can see.
Okay, babe, Dad.
This has to be the all-time best Valentine's Day present in the world, in history.
I hope so. I hope mine's even better.
I don't know what to say. Can we drive it? Is this really
Start it up right now,
serious?
go.
You're not messing with me.
Go right now. She had this whole thing planned out. It's ready. It's time to go.
No. Wait. Who's paying for it? Oh, who's paying for it? You paid for it, or I gotta pay for it?
Here's your cup. Give it to Daddy.
So what does this mean? We're not getting another diesel?
Nope. Whole new channel.
Decision is made.
Oh my god. All right.
Decision is made.
Little backstory with Teresa. I talk about a Supra every single night with her. White Supra. every single night we talk about Supras.
You trying to get out of here?
I don't even know what to say.
I think you, good job on this one, Teresa.
Oh my God, dude.
Come on, back it out. Don't be scared now.
Windows are tight. Yeah.
That's an awesome car.
Thank you.
That's the video. Nice. Nice.
Is there traction control?
I got the traction control off.
I can't get my hand.
Dude, this thing is insane, man. We can't even open the hood on it. When I tell you guys that I'm absolutely blindsided, I'm not kidding. How do you open the hood?
You gotta let me go over the car with you. Come on.
Yeah, our dude didn't even go over the car. We're just out here.
Freestyling this.
Alright, you should be able to lift it now.
Oh, just lift it straight up.
Yeah, pull the thing twice.
Oh, I pulled it once. Okay, so pull it twice and then it'll do the thing. Wow. Hey guys, I'm officially a BMW owner. Someone was gonna say that. I had to get on top of that.
The Z4.
Dude, this thing is incredible, man. What are we doing? What's our plan?
What's the plan? New Supra 2020?
I'm literally speechless. Dude, I'm literally like speechless. I'm like, how's the baby? Is she okay? I don't even know what to say. I'm like babbling right now. This is a complete blind side. Guys, we were looking at trucks today. We were looking at diesel trucks. We're going home with a Supra. I literally talk about Supras every single night with Teresa. Me and Teresa, we talk about Supras because we're talking about, you know, like what diesel we're gonna get, whether it's Cummins, Duramax, Powerstroke. And then I'm like, man, I'd really like to get a car like a Supra or like a GT350. Superman, oh buddy. This has to be like the best, in my entire life, the best
Good job.
Valentine's Day present.
I hope
Questions?
You're just leaning on the baby's pizza bag. All right, let's go. We're gonna get a game plan. We're gonna go.
Go, just back out. Follow you.
Where are we going?
I'll take this for Valentine's Day. You can have my flowers.
Okay, give her some juice. Like a real pro. All right, let's get out. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching our video. This has been an absolute epic ride for us here, me and my wife. An amazing shout out to my amazing wife for pulling this all together. This was all her. We talk about Supras literally nonstop when we were trying to figure out what kind of truck we were gonna go with between, you know, a diesel or this or that. And I always are talking about Supras with her. So she helped me pull the trigger on what we're gonna do. So this is now what we got. Super excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're gonna resume to regular diesel content tomorrow on this channel, but if you guys want to see Supra content, hit the first link in the description. Brand new channel for the Supra. We're gonna keep them separate between diesels and gas stuff. So yeah, all Supra content will be going on our second channel, and then all the diesel stuff will still be on Modern Diesel Corey. So guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you thought it was sick. Huge shout out to my amazing wife. This has been the best Valentine's Day present literally in the world. It's probably 19 degrees right now, wind chill probably with a 0. Neither of us have coats on, we just have sweatshirts on. But yeah, we're gonna go cruise the Supra. It is an absolutely awesome car. We're very excited. She loves driving the car. Maybe it's her car, maybe she's just gonna take it over, but that's totally cool with me. But that's it. Anything you got? Anything you want to say?
Happy Valentine's Day.
You heard it. That's it, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.